The integration between SparkHire's video interviewing platform and PageUp's talent management software gives hiring teams immediate access to their candidates' video interviews directly within PageUp's software. With this integration, mutual customers will create interview packages in SparkHire that consist of all of their interview details. Candidates who advance to the online testing status in PageUp are then routed to the proper SparkHire interview. Once the SparkHire integration has been activated in your PageUp settings, you will begin configuring your interview packages in SparkHire. To activate the integration, log into your SparkHire administrator account and navigate to the integrations page for PageUp in your settings. Activate the integration and then click Configure PageUp. From here, you'll click Configure the connection. You'll then enter your instance ID, data center, client ID, and client secret. To acquire this information, contact your PageUp representative, then click Save. You'll then go back to the configuration steps and click Create Interview Packages. First, you'll name your interview package. This is the interview package name that you'll later select in PageUp. You'll then select the SparkHire job that you'd like the interview to be associated with. Next, select the question set you'd like to use for interviews created for those particular jobs. If you don't find a job or question set that you like in the dropdown, simply return to your SparkHire dashboard to create new jobs and question sets. Once you've selected your job and question set, you'll pick a relative deadline for interviews created using this package. We recommend choosing a deadline between 5 to 7 days for candidates, but you can certainly choose a shorter deadline if your candidate knows that the interview is on its way to them. When you've made your selections, click Add Package, and you'll see it listed below in your current interview packages. You'll then go back to the configuration steps. To manage the users that have access to the integration, click Manage Users, and then select which user in SparkHire corresponds to which user in PageUp. Keep in mind that the user's email address in SparkHire should match the user's email address in PageUp. After you've configured your interview packages in SparkHire, you can begin sending out interview invitations to candidates in PageUp. Log into PageUp, click Review Applications, and select the job that corresponds to the job you selected when you created your interview packages. Here you will see all of your candidates for this position and their current status. To invite a candidate to a SparkHire interview, click on the candidate's current status and a modal will appear prompting you to choose a new application status. Select Online Testing, and then select the name of the interview package you created in SparkHire under the Assessment dropdown. You'll then click Move Now. The interview package will now be triggered and the interview invitation will be sent to the candidate. Once the interview has been created for the candidate, their status will update to online testing. When the candidate completes the SparkHire interview, their status will be updated to Online Testing Complete. Click on the candidate's name, then click on History, and under Assessment, look for a status of Processed, and then click the View button. This will open a modal showing the status of the interview and will include an interview link. Click on this link and you'll be taken to the interview on SparkHire. From here you can use additional SparkHire functionality like rating the interview or sharing it with a hiring manager. For additional information on the integration, head to sparkhire.com and request a demo. If you're an existing customer, reach out to your SparkHire Customer Success Manager today.